Hey everyone, Taylor with KC here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install the Gravity LED Pro6 light bar on top of your Jeep Wrangler JK. It's a pretty easy process, so let's go ahead and get started. The first step to installing the overhead brackets for your Jeep Wrangler JK is to remove 5 TORX head bolts from the windshield frame brackets. You can see that you need to remove the 2 in the front and then the upper 3 bolts on each side. After that, grab your new light bar brackets and the supplied rubber protective gasket and just align it with the holes in your Jeep. Use the supplied M8 bolts and the washers to fasten it down rather than reusing the factory hardware just because it won't be long enough. Once you have one side done, just repeat the same process on the other side. When both brackets are installed and fastened down completely, then grab a friend and have them help you put your KC Pro6 light bar into position on top of the brackets. Then, hand tighten the washer and the nut onto the end mounts of the Pro6 LED light bar, and once it's hand tight, then aim the light bar as horizontal as possible and tighten each side with a wrench. The final step is to adjust the bump stop on the Pro6 and to add preload to it. This adds tension to the entire system to provide maximum stability and to eliminate any vibrations. To do this properly, have your friend lift up on the light bar while you adjust the bump stop so that the rubber piece is making firm contact with the very top of the windshield. Just make sure that it isn't located too low on the windshield, otherwise your wipers will hit it. Then, with your friend still lifting up on the bar and adding preload to it, tighten the bump stop completely. And with that, you have completely installed the KC Pro6 light bar onto your Jeep Wrangler JK. Don't forget to check out some of our other videos. Thanks for watching, and remember to adventure further.